Let me turn from there to our ground report today, which comes from Manipur, a state that's on the edge. In a spurt of drone and rocket attacks in the past week, 11 more people have died. From multiple villages to a CRPF camp, all have come under attack in the strife-torn state. The fight between the Kukis and the Meiteis appears to be intensifying. Can the center now step in to bring peace back? Take a look.
Gunfights, drone bombings, grenade strikes. Street protest. Manipur is on the edge. A series of attacks over the last 10 days have shaken up the state. A CRPF camp in Kangpokpi district was targeted on Sunday. This attack followed an attempt to loot weapons from battalion officers of Manipur Rifles in Imphal on Friday. The same day, there was a rocket-propelled grenade attack in Moirang area of Bishnupur district. The grenade fell on the residence of Manipur's first Chief Minister, M. Koirang, killing a priest who was performing a puja.
And I was just sitting here, and fortunately for me, I just went inside in my room.
You just escaped?
Yeah, luckily I escaped. So when I reached that room, then I heard that sonic boom, and then I instantly knew that
it was a sonic boom.
Yeah, it's pretty huge. The effect was so.
But did you also spot some drones flying over before that attack?
No drones on that day. What as far as what I encountered was concerned, I was about to sit on my chair, and then I heard that particular shock wave of the particular explosion.
Thronglaobi village is 3 kilometers from Moirang. It came under attack on the same day around 4:30 a.m. The villagers were woken up by a loud explosion.
So the bomb part which hit this area, the sprinter spread all over, and since it was early morning, nearly 4:30, the people were sleeping inside, and because of this construction, their lives were saved. I have the part of these sprinters which were just flying around here and there. Few parts have been recovered by the police for the investigation. The RPG could have been really advanced and highly, sophisticated, improvised, because this sprinter itself weighing more than 300 to 350 grams, and this is the smallest particle of the RPG you see in my hand.
Mentally and stressful, mentally, we are very weakened right now. अभी रात को भी हम सो नहीं सकते, दिन में भी हम ऐसे कान उठा के सुन लेते हैं कि कहीं कुछ हो रहा है. We are in a traumatic condition right now. सरकार की तरफ से भी हमारे यहाँ पे भी ये नहीं होएगा, वो नहीं होएगा, कुछ भी ऐलान नहीं हुआ है. कुछ सपोर्ट या फिर कुछ यहाँ पे गन फाइट होता है तो कुछ कमांडोज या फिर कुछ सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस भेज के उसको सेटल कर देते. उसके बाद आगे जो होना है उसके लिए कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं निकाल रहे, और हम ऐसे कब तक जिएंगे.
The escalation in the conflict took place on September 1st, when Kautrup village in West Imphal was bombed by drones allegedly sent by Kuki militants.
How many drones did you see that day?
3-4 drones.
3 to 4 drones?
Drones, yeah. 3-4 drones, they are doing the drones bombing. It is illegal war.
From drones to rocket-propelled grenades. The fight between Meiteis and Kukis has seen an increase in intensity recently. The people of Manipur are yearning for peace that has eluded them for the past 16 months. With Ashutosh Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.